Hi everyone, I'm Gorka, and today we're tackling one of the most important choices in your investing journey, picking the right trading platform. Whether you're a total beginner, a casual investor, or a pro trader, your platform can make or break your experience and your returns. The right choice saves you money, gives you better tools, and makes investing easier and more enjoyable. I'll walk you through my top picks for US trading platforms, breaking down their features, pros, cons, and who they're best for. I've personally used most of these, so you'll get the real inside scoop. Let's dive in and find your perfect match. First up, Robinhood, the app that made commission-free trading the norm. Robinhood's clean, simple interface is perfect for beginners. Opening an account is quick, and buying your first stock is as easy as ordering takeout. You can trade stocks, ETFs, options, and some crypto, all commission-free. Fractional shares let you invest in big names with just a few bucks. But Robinhood's simplicity is also its biggest weakness. Research tools are basic, just simple charts and headlines. If you want deep analysis, you'll need outside resources. Their business model relies on payment for order flow, which means your trades are routed to third parties. For most, the impact is minor, but it's worth knowing. Customer support has improved, but it's still not as robust as bigger brokerages. Robinhood is ideal for absolute beginners who want a no-fuss way to start investing small amounts. If you're just buying and holding a few stocks or ETFs, it's a great entry point. But if you want advanced research or plan to get serious about trading, you'll outgrow Robinhood fast. It's the easiest on-ramp, but not the best for long-term growth. For a simple, mobile-first experience, Robinhood is hard to beat. Just know its limits before you dive in. If you want to learn the ropes, start here, but be ready to graduate to a more powerful platform as your skills grow. Let's move on to the heavyweights. Now let's talk about Fidelity, the gold standard for long-term investors. Fidelity is trusted by millions for retirement planning and wealth building. Their research tools are unmatched, with free access to reports from top providers like Morningstar and Argus. You can open IRAs, Roth IRAs, and other retirement accounts with ease. Their planning tools help you map out your financial future from retirement to college savings. Investment options are vast. Commission-free stocks, ETFs, a huge selection of mutual funds including Fidelity Zero funds with zero expense ratios, plus bonds and international markets. The trade-off? Fidelity's platform is powerful but can feel overwhelming for beginners. There's a learning curve, especially if you want to use all the research and planning features. The mobile app is solid, but to unlock everything you'll want to use a computer. Fidelity is for serious long-term investors who value research, low costs, and the security of a major institution. If you want to build wealth for decades, this is a platform you can grow with. It's not flashy, but it's reliable and comprehensive. Perfect for those who want to do their homework and invest with confidence. If you're planning for retirement or want a diversified portfolio, Fidelity is a top pick. It's a platform you can start with and never outgrow. For research-driven investors, it's hard to beat. Let's see how it compares to another industry giant. Next up, Charles Schwab and Thinkorswim. Charles Schwab is a powerhouse, especially after acquiring TD Ameritrade and its legendary Thinkorswim platform. Schwab offers commission-free trades, a wide range of investment products, and top-notch research from sources like Morningstar and their own analysts. Their customer service stands out with physical branches and excellent phone support, rare in today's digital world. The real star for active traders is Thinkorswim, a professional-grade suite with advanced charting, technical analysis, and the ability to backtest strategies. You can customize everything from indicators to complex order types, and it's all free for Schwab customers. The catch? Thinkorswim has a steep learning curve and can be intimidating for beginners. Schwab's standard platform is great for long-term investors, while Thinkorswim is built for serious traders. This combo lets you start simple and level up as your skills grow. No need to switch brokerages. Schwab is for everyone: beginners, long-term investors, and pros. If you want great research, customer service, and elite trading tools, Schwab delivers. Start basic, go pro when you're ready. It's a one-stop shop for every stage of your investing journey. Now let's check out eTrade. eTrade has been a leader in online trading for decades, balancing user-friendliness with powerful tools. Their standard web and mobile platforms are clean and intuitive, perfect for managing your portfolio and making trades. For active traders, Power eTrade offers advanced charting, technical studies, and options analysis, all in a user-friendly package. You get commission-free trades, a strong mobile app, and access to high-quality research from Morgan Stanley. Power E**. Trade isn't as deep as Thinkorswim, but it's easier to learn, great for intermediate traders. E** Trade also offers futures trading and a solid bond ladder tool. Downsides? Margin rates aren't the lowest and there's no fractional share trading yet. E** Trade is ideal for investors who want more than a beginner app but aren't ready for ultra-complex platforms. It's versatile, modern, and grows with you. If you want a slick interface and strong mobile experience, E** Trade is a top contender. Let's move to the platform for the pros Interactive Brokers. Here's what sets it apart. Interactive Brokers is the go-to for professionals and global traders who demand the lowest costs and maximum market access. IBKR lets you trade on 150-plus markets in 33 countries, hold cash in 27 currencies, and access stocks, options, futures, and more, all from one account. Their margin rates are the lowest in the industry, saving active traders serious money. The Trader Workstation, TWS platform is incredibly powerful, with advanced order types, risk tools, and algorithmic trading, but TWS is complex and has a steep learning curve. It's not for casual investors. IBKR Lite offers commission-free US trades, but the platform is still best for high-volume, sophisticated traders. Data fees and complexity can be overkill for most. If you're a hedge fund, pro trader, or need global access and rock-bottom costs, IBKR is unmatched. For the average investor, it's probably too much, but for serious traders, it's the ultimate tool. Now let's look at a modern app for active traders, Webull. Here's why it's so popular. 13. Webull is like Robinhood with an upgrade. Commission-free trading, but with better charts and more data. The app is sleek, mobile-first, and appeals to younger traders who want more than just the basics. Webull offers robust candlestick charts, dozens of technical indicators, and even paper trading to practice strategies risk-free. You get Level 2 data, with a subscription, analyst ratings, and a social community to see what others are trading. It's a big step up from Robinhood for technical analysis, but still not as comprehensive as the big brokerages. No mutual funds or bonds, so it's focused on stocks and options. Customer support is digital first and can be slow for complex issues. Webull is perfect for mobile-first active traders who want more tools without the complexity of pro platforms. If you've outgrown Robinhood but aren't ready for Thinkorswim, Webull is a great next step. It's modern, fast, and packed with features for chart lovers. Just know its limits if you want a full-service brokerage. Now let's talk about Merrill Edge for Bank of America customers. Merrill Edge is the best choice for Bank of America customers who want everything, banking and investing in one place. The big draw is the Preferred Rewards program, which gives you perks like cash back, better rates and bonuses based on your combined balances. Merrill Edge offers commission-free trades, a solid platform, Market Pro, and strong research from BofA Global Research and third parties. It's a full-service platform that's easy to use and integrates seamlessly with your BofA accounts. Downsides? No crypto trading, no fractional shares, and the interface feels more like a traditional bank than a modern app. Still, if you're already with Bank of America, the rewards and convenience are hard to beat. Merrill Edge is for investors who want integration, high-quality research, and the backing of a major bank. If you value seeing your whole financial life in one dashboard, it's a smart pick. Not the flashiest, but very practical. For BofA customers, it's almost a no-brainer. Now let's wrap up with how to choose your perfect platform. To sum up, beginners should start with Robinhood or Webull for simplicity and ease. Long-term investors and planners should look at Fidelity or Schwab for research and retirement tools. Active traders will love E*TRADE's Power Platform or Schwab's Thinkorswim. Pros and global traders, Interactive Brokers is your best bet. Bank of America customers, Merrill Edge is made for you. The best platform is the one that fits your goals and style, so pick what matches your needs. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. See you next time.